Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best Nest Doorbell wall plate available on the market, the elago wall plate designed specifically for the Google Nest Hello video doorbell. If you own a Nest Hello and want to upgrade your doorbell's look while covering up any old marks or holes from previous installations, this product might be exactly what you need. From the moment you see it, the elago wall plate impresses with its sleek, minimalistic design. It's crafted to fit perfectly with the Nest Hello doorbell, giving your entryway a polished and clean appearance. Whether your doorbell has been installed for years or you're switching out an old model, this plate ensures that your Nest Hello looks better than ever. One of the standout features of this wall plate is its functionality. Instead of spending time and effort patching up walls or repainting around your doorbell, the elago plate simply covers up any imperfections with ease. It offers a seamless look without the hassle of remodeling, making it ideal for anyone who wants a quick and effective upgrade. The quality is something elago clearly put a lot of thought into. Made from hard, durable ABS plastic, the plate is built to last. It's double-coated, meaning it resists wear and tear over time, which is important for an outdoor product exposed to the elements. This durable construction helps ensure that your doorbell's appearance stays sharp and neat for years to come. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. If you're familiar with mounting doorbells, you'll find this plate fits right into place without any complex adjustments. It's also compatible with elago's adjustable wedge, which can help you angle your Nest Hello perfectly if your door or wall isn't perfectly flat. This combination provides versatility for a range of mounting situations. Elago offers a 1-year breakage warranty with this product, giving you peace of mind that you're investing in something designed to last. This warranty reflects their confidence in the product's quality and durability. It's important to note that this product is just the wall plate, it doesn't include the Nest Hello doorbell itself. But if you already have the Nest Hello installed and are looking to refresh the look or cover previous installations, this plate is a cost-effective and stylish solution. Overall, the elago wall plate is a smart choice for anyone wanting to improve the look and installation quality of their Google Nest Hello doorbell setup. With its clean design, durable materials, easy installation, and practical functionality, it stands out as the best Nest doorbell wall plate out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.